It was quite scary in the beginning because this bioreactor looks quite complicated. This controller looks complicated, but actually it was very easy to use. During this time in Testa Center we have had possibility to use different equipment and methods. We have used several small bioreactors, big bioreactors. We have possibility to use different centrifugation systems. Also the filtration systems, we have used depth filtration, DFF, several chromatographic columns, affinity columns, desalting columns, lot of different variations of the media. When we came here, we started to using the small-scale bioreactors. We try to optimize the conditions, what are compatible for our protein before we move to the big bioreactor. Then we did several optimization, and then now we had a chance to use 50-liter bioreactor. Here we understood that actually here is the possibility to test different things. Maybe not to keep so much like we have done so far, but look around and try different and new methods for doing it.